Welcome to tedtalks.com. In this question or in this video and this example, specifically, we shall look at how to calculate the weighted aggregate price index of the quantities or of the data which has different quantities between the base year and the current year, where current year and the base year is having different quantities. How do we calculate that? We have been looking at how we calculate that one when the base year and the current year is having the same quantity. But for this case, we have when the base year and the current year is having different quantity. So even to start with, let us say solution. So this is a question, take a look at it. It's saying that the table below shows the prices of item per kilogram in the year 2001 and 2002. The table is having item, that is rice, millet and beans. And then in 2001, they are saying 2001 equal to 100, where price is in shillings and the quantity is in kilogram. And then for 2002, respectively. Then the question is saying that calculate for 2002 the weighted aggregate price index. First and foremost, they have not specified which one is the base year. But now in the table, they have showed us that we have something like 2001 equals to 100. Remember, we said that the index number we calculate is in the standard form of 100. Any number above 100 means there is an increase in that value by that percentage which has increased. Any number below 100 means there is an decrease in the value or by given percentage. But now if they give you 100, any value equals to 100, that one become our base year. So our base year, we always take it out of 100. Any value or any year they will give you as is equal to 100, that one become your base year. From the above data or from the table which they have given us, it is showing that our base year is 2001. So after noticing the base year is 2001, now how do we find the weighted aggregate price index when we have two quantities? We get the quantity or the summation of the quantity in the or of the price in the current year, that is P1, times their respective weight in the current year, then divided by the summation of the price in the base year times their respective weight in the base year. Then the total, you multiply it with 100. After knowing this formula is enough for you to pass this question. So that's the key formula, where P1 is the price in the current year and W1 is the quantity in the current year. And P0 is the price in the base year and W0 is the quantity in the base year. Then we start getting the value. So our weighted aggregate price index is given by summation of the price and their weight. So the price of rice in the current year is 3,200 times the quantity, which is 30, then plus the price of millet in the base year is 1,900 times 10, then plus the price of beans in the base year, in the current year, is 2,500 times 70. Then divided by the summation of price and their respective weight in the base year, which is 2001. So the price of rice in 2001, it was 2,800 times the quantity of rice that was bought in that year is 20, then plus the price of millet, which was 1,500, times the 1,500 times the quantity, which is also the same as 10, then plus the price of beans in 2001, which was 2,000, then times the quantity here they bought on 5. Then the total you get here, you multiply it with, you multiply the total by, so I can remove this one for proper writing, or for me to put this one clearly. So this one is C times Z. The answer you get here, you multiply there by 100. So using your calculator, please multiply this value and then you see the answer that we shall get is, from my calculator, the answer I'm getting is 358.0247. That is my weighted aggregate price index. So my weighted aggregate price index is 358.0247. So this is how we calculate the weighted aggregate price index with two different quantities. Thank you.